In today's video, we're talking about a very important Social Security card update for green card applicants and other visa holders. Hi guys, my name is Ksenia. I make videos for people who are going through the family green card process. I'm not an attorney. My videos are based on public information, my own experience, and the experience of my subscribers. And the purpose of my channel is to give you guys the confidence to go through this process completely on your own. It was brought to my attention by a couple of followers, a couple of subscribers, which is why I am so thankful, and I always say that this channel would not exist without you guys, as you keep me updated and I'm able to spread this information to the rest of you. If you have applied for a Social Security card with your I-765 employment authorization document, there is a high chance that even after those forms or applications are approved, you still may not receive your Social Security card in the mail. There was an internal email through the Social Security Administration, and it was a directive that the Social Security Administration puts a temporary pause on automatic mailing of Social Security cards. So that means that if you applied for a new Social Security card through your employment authorization application or even through other applications such as your naturalization application, that there is a chance that you will not physically receive a Social Security card in the mail because of this update. According to this update, however, they do continue to process automatic mailing of Social Security cards to applicants who were approved for adjustment of status. Now, this memo was sent out in an email. It is not an official announcement. Social Security Administration is being audited, as you know, by the US government. So I'm assuming they did not make it an official announcement to not panic people. But nevertheless, a lot of people did find out about it, and now in order to receive your Social Security card, you will have to go to the Social Security Administration in person and request to receive your card. So unfortunately, this will delay you in a sense that you may not start your job unless you have your Social Security card. Now, for those of you who already had a Social Security card with restrictions, who simply needed a new card that it's valid without restriction from DHS, you can still continue to use your Social Security number if you want to apply for jobs, loans, etc. It is fine. You can continue to use your number. Your number always stays the same, but when it comes to receiving an actual physical updated card or a brand new card, if you've never had one before, that will take some time. You can't do a walk-in appointment with them. You must go to the Social Security site, find your local branches and set up an appointment. My suggestion is to not panic and to give it a little bit of time, a couple of weeks at least, to see if you will indeed receive anything. If you do set up an in-person appointment, doesn't hurt to bring with you still your foreign passport, your naturalization certificate if you are a naturalized citizen. Bring your approved notice. So if you got an approval for employment authorization, bring that approval notice with you. Also, if you have already received in the mail your employment authorization card, bring that with you. If you would like your name to be different on your Social Security card because you are taking your spouse's last name, marriage certificate, any other name change proof. For example, if you are a naturalized citizen and you got a name change certificate from the court. So bring all of those identity documents with you. I don't foresee you having to bring the actual application for a Social Security card. If anything, they do have them available on site, and you can also fill one out in person during your appointment. If you did receive your Social Security card in the mail recently, do comment below. I would really like to know what kind of case you had. Did you apply for a Social Security card through your employment authorization or through your green card form? Or did you recently naturalize perhaps? I'm sure a lot of people watching this video will also appreciate your comments. Let us know if you ended up going to the Social Security Administration for an appointment and how did it go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, check out all my other videos, my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye!